Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Nothing Phone 3a Lite. In this video let me show you how to record your screen. First, let's open Quick Settings by swiping down from the very top of your screen like this, and then do it once again. And now here you want to find a button with screen recording. Here is mine, but if you do not see it here in Quick Settings, you have to add this button here. To do that, tap Enter Editing Mode, which is this pencil icon. And here from the list of those tiles, you have to select Screen Record, and you have to hold and drag to basically add this button. Okay, so now let's tap Screen Record. And now you have an option to select if you want to record a single app or entire screen. Here you have some explanation. While you're recording an app, Android has access to anything shown on that app. So be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, audio, and video. Okay, so let's go in with entire screen, for example. And now you have an option to turn on to record an audio. As well, you can select if you want to record device audio, microphone, or both device audio and microphone. So let's go with both, and additionally you can turn on if you want to show touches on screen. Okay, so let's press start recording. Okay, so now my screen records, and after you want to end screen recording, you have to swipe down and tap on stop button. Okay, so this video is saved to your gallery, which you can later review. So that's how you can record screen on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.